Let's learn how to transfer Pi to OKX wallet. Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how the complete guide on how to transfer Pi to OKX wallet. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Pi app. The next thing is to click on three lines found at the top left corner of your screen. Click on browser, Pi browser. Click on sign into Pi browser. So click on wallet. You're going to paste your passphrase here and click on unlock with passphrase. Click on pay or request. Click on manually add wallet address. Now you just have to go to your OKX wallet, copy the address and the memo if it has a memo, paste it and then click on the send option in order to send the amount of Pi you want to your OKX wallet. So this is what I mean. Let's head straight to my OKX wallet. So right here on my OKX wallet, I just have to click on the receive option, search for Pi. You can see Pi, but if you do not find Pi on your OKX wallet, this is what you have to do. Just scroll down gently. You're going to see three lines close to total assets. Just click on it, search for Pi or any crypto you're looking for here and click on the plus option. It will automatically go to your OKX wallet. So what I have to do here is to click on receive option, search for Pi, click on it. Now I just have to copy my wallet address. You can see that I don't have any memo here, so I just have to go to my wallet, my Pi wallet, and paste. So there is no memo. I just have to click on the send option in order to send my Pi to my OKX wallet. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to transfer your Pi to your OKX wallet. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.